Let's prepare together the super tasty and very quick to make scalloppini al limone. Tenderize the meat between 2 layers of parchment paper. Cover your tenderized meat slices in some flour. Then shake off any excess flour and move to the next step. Melt some butter in a pan, and when it has melted, lay your slices of meat in the pan and let them brown on both sides for just a couple of minutes. Add a bit of salt and pepper. At this point, we can lower the temperature of the stove and flavor our meat with the lemon juice. Cook just enough to create a nice sauce, and then we can plate it. Perfect escalopes, all thanks to the lemon. Really tasty.